Hi everyone, welcome again to the series of cat set solved easily. Again, I got a set for you in which we will be solving a set that I just got from an institute. We'll follow the same process. I'll show you the set. You guys will pause the video and then you will go for the video solution. So this is the set. I would recommend you all to first pause the video and then go for the video solution. These are the questions that are curated for the set. I hope you guys went through the video solution. So we'll go for the video solution and we'll see how the set will get solved. So the question says 10 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J study in different schools among HPS, DPS, Oak Ridge and KV. Okay. So there are 10 friends who are studying in 4 schools. They study in different standards among 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. Okay. The number of friends in each school are distinct. Okay. And there is at least one friend in each school. The number of friends in each standard are different, and there is at least one friend in each standard. Okay. So if you guys are not able to decode the information from this point, so with this point, we mean that in each school there are at least one student and the numbers are distinct. So see, there are 4 schools. So what can be the possibilities of the number of students? It can be in the form of 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you will see, the total will go for 10. So the possibility of the number of students is 10. Now we are given some additional information for the set. Maximum number of friends study in HPS and maximum number of friends are in 8th standard. Okay. So our table will look something like this. What I am given is I am given with 4 schools, that is HPS, DPS, KV and Oak Ridge. So I'll write O for Oak Ridge and I am having 4 standards, that is 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So what is it saying to us? Maximum number of students study in HPS. So what is the maximum number? 4. So let us think about one thing first in the very beginning. There is a difference between maximum and highest. Maximum number means a unique number. Whenever you see or counter this word maximum, this means the question is asking for the unique number. That means this number won't get repeated. There's a difference between maximum and highest. Highest can be scored by a highest can be same, but maximum can never be same. Okay, the maximum number of friends study in HPS. So I got to know that HPS has 4 number of students. Okay, and what else it told, that maximum number of friends are in 8th standard. So maximum number of friends are in 8th standard. So for 8th standard, I have 4 students. Okay. Both B and G study in DPS and are in 10th standard. Okay. Both B and G study in DPS. So see, B and G are studying in DPS. I'll write here DPS. Also for G, I will write DPS. And they both are studying in class 10th. So here I'll write 10. Too good. Then I am done with this first information. Except BG, no two friends are studying in the same school and are in the same standard. It means the number of schools, every same school will have different standards. Okay. D who studies in KV is in 9th standard. So D who is studying in KV, D who is studying in KV is in 9th standard. Got that? Then we are done with this one as well. C and E are in same school while A and J study in the same standard. Okay. H and I neither study in the same school nor study in the same standard. Okay, we'll just see about this. H studies in 7th standard and K studies in KV. So H studies in 7th standard and F studies in KV. So for F, I'll write KV over here. I'm done with this one as well. Now, I'm done with this information. B studies in the same school as J. So the school of B and J is same. So B studies in DPS. So J also studies in DPS. Okay. And what else it is saying? And studies in the same standard as E. So the standard of B and E is same. B studies in 10th standard. E also studies in 10th standard. With this, I got some information that HPS has 4 students, DPS has 3 students, KV has 2, and Oak Ridge has 1. And 4 number of students are in class 10th or class 8, 3 number of students are in class 10th. Now, see, it says, now we'll go back to other information. I had taken this information as well. Now, except BG, no two friends are studying in the same school and are in the same standard. So, when B and meet means no two friends are in same school. Now see, we are left with 9 and 7. See now, see this thing very clearly. KV here is 9 and here KV. It cannot be 9 over here. It cannot be 9 over here. Also, it cannot be 10 over here. It cannot be 10 over here. So the possibility I am having is, see, I don't know the number of 7 and 9. 9 cannot be a possible option here, and 10 can also be not an option here. So either I will have here 7 or I will have here 8. Too good. Now what are we are given with? C and E are in same school. C and E are in same school. What can be the possibilities of C and E being in same school? That is HPS. So I'll write here HPS. Also I'll write here HPS. Okay. Now H and I do not study in same school. So H and I can be either HPS or Oak Ridge. With this I can say that HP is surely A. HPS is surely A. Then now what else to be done? Now what else has to be done? Now just see. I am done with this. C and E are in the same school while A and J study in the same standard. Now see. For A and J, I am having the values. I can put 8 over here, 8 here, and 8 here. Okay. Now, see, I don't know the value which will be put over here, but I can see over here. See, I'll just try to first. I'll take all the informations over here. H and I never studied in same standard. If H is over here, if H is over here, 7 cannot be over here, and we are done. And we were given 3 tens. Hence, 10 was also not a feasible option here. So I can write over here 8 because I am having 4 eights. Surely this is in class 8. Now we are left with, now we got to know that it can be either 7 or 8. We got how many eights? 1, 2, and 3. And we know every number is distinct over here. For DPS, let's see. For DPS, only B and G were same. So B 10, G 10, and J 8. We are done. For KV, we shall have distinct numbers. So one is 9 and one over here is 7 or 8. We are done. Now, which school we are left with? HPS or Oak Ridge? Now see, if I'll write over here HPS, if I'll write over here HPS, then A over here, A over here will have the same value. Hence, with this, I got to know that this is HPS and this is Oak Ridge. This is Oak Ridge. Okay. With this much information, I just got to know. And now, see. We don't know what are the values for 7 and 9. But now see, if I'll put over here, if I'll put over here 7 for KV, or say if I'll put over here 8, if I'll put over here for F8, it is not going to give me a problem. But we don't know the values for 7 and 9. Can I put over here a 7? No, because there shall be distinct values for everyone. Hence, I have to put over here 9, and over here I have to put 8, because we have to give every distinct value. Hence, I got to know that there are two nines and one 7, and it is making the criteria fulfilled. Now, we'll jump to the question. This table will look something like this. How many students are in ninth standard? In ninth standard, how many students are there? Two students are there. So the answer to first question is 2. Who is studying in Oak Ridge School? Oak Ridge School. I is studying in Oak Ridge School. How many friends are studying in DPS? In DPS, we can see there are 3 friends who are studying. And name the friends who are studying in class 8. In class 8, it's A. In class 8, it's F, it's I, and it's J. So it's A, it's F, it's I, and it's J. So this was one of the so this was an easier set to solve, and this was based on conditions. So you just have to make sure how the conditions are to be satisfied within the form they are given to you. I hope this video adds some value to your insights. For any feedback or problem, you can just drop me a comment, and we'll just start with other videos, and we'll be having live sessions soon. Thank you everyone.